a secret from you. It's time that you guys know. We're taking the GP1 and we're heading up north. We're going up to Oregon, boys, and we're meeting up with the scooter swap shop. The GP1 is going cross country right now, and it's about to get loaded up on the back of the Subaru. We're loading up the GP1 and going up to Oregon. We got a build for this GP1 that hopefully we're gonna get done in a few days up there. Maybe test the bike, hopefully we get a good day to ride. I have not even rode this thing one time yet, and we're going full build on it. We're out here, boys. 5 hours in, headed to Sacramento. I don't know where we're at in Oregon, but we're about 2 hours away from Portland, taking the 101 up. This shit is mad nice, yo. This is mad pretty, yo. What's up? Hey there. Oh man. You got the forest and then straight to ocean. It's crazy. Alright, we have arrived to the shop where there lies the RC1 build. So, first things first, we're diving straight into this. We need to crack this bad boy open and go over all these parts in here, and we shall cut the ropes. Oh yeah. This is the 8.1, right?
Yeah, it's 8 size.
Our breakfast today.
You get the same cover on here.
We made it to Portland. We made it to the shop. Here we are. And we're getting right into it, boys. The surprise is I'm doing RC1 in the GP1. So we brought the GP1 up with us. Got the RC1 all cracked open over here. 2 smoked out in here for breakfast, and got the GP1 donor right here for the RC1. This thing's meant, you guys seen it, the only thing that's really bad is this corner right here, missing the undertail light, but she'll be sweet and she'll rip with the RC1 in here, so this thing's gonna be a monster. The first look at the first RC1 piece. Alright, boys. Dude, look at all these pieces that come with this RC1. We're just gonna go in today. I'm gonna try to get most of this motor assembled today. I'm here, we're at the scooter swap shop. We're using their tools, we're using their shop here. Throw it together. And there's a lot of pieces in this box. We got the cylinder kit, crank, we got the gears, secondaries. This looks like it could be possibly a clutch, possibly, don't know, pulley I'm assuming. What could be in this one? What is this? Feels like nothing's in there.
I mean here, it's like Christmas.
Yeah, what is that?
Legos? Legos.
Oh, this one's the same thing but heavier.
This is a, one's a fender. This is
fender.
That's over range. Without looking, over range, fender. Let me see. Over range, fender, crank, water pump, clutch, gears,
Cylinder.
Ignition, cylinder.
What is the clutch? Clutch pulley?
No, this is your. No, this is. I'm not looking. This is your. I don't know. It's your. Oh, that's your cover.
Gear cover.
Your cover. This should be your clutch and bell.
That's clutch and bell for sure, because it looks like the wing. Yep.
You got an axle, primary and secondary.
All right, let's get this case bubble wrap off. All right, we cleared everything off the table except for the cases, the seals, the bearings, all the main stuff. We're gonna go ahead and get started on the cases. get everything kind of together, and then I'll catch up with you guys once we get more of the motor build. But we're gonna start going in right now and getting this thing somewhat assembled. Right now, heating up the cases, gonna drop these bearings in. These bearings are pretty crazy. I've never seen a bearing with a removable inner like that. So that's pretty interesting.
Not quite.
Not quite. Whoa. Butter biscuits.
Keep going. You got it. Okay.
We got all types of RC1 gears. They have to press on right now.
Oh, here's also International 17s. Oh, no, get out of here.
I can't show that?
No, it's gone.
Wow,
It's not
forever. Alright, threw the gears together, pressed them all in. We got a little fancy ink pen by Skylar's Truly over here. A Honda Bond in, we're about to throw the gear cover on, and gearbox is done. We got a gear cover thrown on. We're gonna have to go grab some bolts right now for this bad boy, because Malossi does not include our bolts. See this in here, dude? This shit's looking pretty legit, dude. This shit's looking pretty legit.
Scoot Daddy is approving.
I don't know if he's
Look at
approving.
it.
He's looking at it kind of weird.
No, he's just laughing at your tool.
He's giving you the eye of the tiger.
I'm just snug.
You know, in the porn and stuff, where it's like you get that underneath you. Yep. I'll get that
Insert
shaft
sound
in there.
effect.
Oh!
Wow. Oh!
One more time.
That's it, bro. She's bottomed out.
No way. That's it? That's all she wrote?
No, it's not all she wrote. You gotta pull it in.
Okay, well, show me the way with the tool and the fancy stuff. A few days.
His name is Bond. Honda Bond.
Honda Bond. Back at it. We're gonna have a full motor after
You're
this one.
cute.
Damn.
What's up, girl?
Hey.
Oh.
Alright, so I just Honda Bonded the cases. Got the bearings in there, got the crank in this half. How are we looking so far? Oh, bud!
It's good to go now.
Yeah?
That part.
Yeah. Let's tilt it up.
No.
Nope. Let's
Leave it how you have it.
Sorry, Dad. We are RC1 install. We don't even know what we're doing here.
But though, like, you're literally just
No,
have your
for
grip
sure, yeah,
spinning.
for sure.
Like, it would just spin.
Coach on your mouse, get put in a tote.
I'm gonna put you in a tote.
Better not.
Damn, look at this.
Better not.
Yo, hit it with the spin for me.
Huh?
Spin that shaft, dog. Oh,
Can't even
oh,
hold it,
started
bro. She's
scratching
got
it.
so much fucking-
Oh!
Man, look at that, dude. She is free. She feels like she's ready to
It
rip.
feels really good, honestly. Good game. Flywheel.
Oh, hey there. Here we are with our... Is it just called RC1 cylinder? Or is it like a...
Testarossa. Like the Lamborghini Testarossa. Ferrari? Where's Testarossa?
I only know fucking BMW 36.
The Balu.
Master Race.
Wow.
It's a good car.
Boom. Cylinder kit. Can I answer that?
Does that answer that?
When I ride this scooter, I want to go very fast. That's what I want to do.
Wow, that actually does look extremely fancy.
Do you like this?
I do.
Okay. Can you run different domes for different compression?
I don't know on these.
That would be really cool. Do you know what
I know they do it like Too Fast makes them.
Do you know what the CC dome is on this?
I'm not sure. We're gonna put the piston in. We're gonna start with the skinniest base gasket, no Honda Bond. We're gonna
No
put it on
Honda
here.
Bond.
We're gonna slide the cylinder over. We're gonna bolt just the dome on the top. Check Squish. Turn it over. We're gonna check Squish. That way, once we get it where we want it, we'll take it all back apart. We'll put the rings on it and Honda Bond.
Cool. RC1 piston on. Oh, seals too. When they put the seals, pop the seal in. Okay.
So, first thing you want to do,
Give it some juice.
Spear fingers.
cut it a little bit skinnier, but
Oh yeah, she popped.
I would say
Boom.
no on that.
In the product,
About to see the solder inside.
I don't know if they should be in and discounted.
Just some links or
I'm
something.
gonna show the squeeze.
That looks like 5.5.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait. You said 5.5, right?
Right, or 0.55.
That's 5.5.
No, it's 0.55.
Perfect.
5.4.
No, 0.55.
I'm gonna say, based on my
0.420.
old man expertise, because
Old man might.
I'm gonna say that's point 0.4.
0.4.
No, that's what I just
That's
said.
with the
Mine's
thinnest base
420, man.
gasket.
Oh dang, we're both way off.
Oh my god, it's perfect.
It's literally perfect.
It's.
I said
literally
0.55.
You said 5.5.
no.
Get out of here, dude.
perfect. We knew what he meant. We knew what you meant.
It's
5.5.
it's pretty close.
So
right?
is that
Yeah,
race
if you're
spec?
using
What
that
would
little-
something like super reliable daily spec be kept at?
0.8.
0.8.
But
Fattener.
so Carter had he did his 0.55 and rolled up. Dude, he would.
Been non-stop doing
Too
that.
bad,
Oh,
but-
it's fine. Yeah, just keep doing the thing.
Because bleeding would probably be the highest point in the motor.
Yes.
Moment of truth.
Pressure test.
Quit touching it.
Can the pressure
Quit
go up?
touching it. It's probably the spark plug.
Ooh, we're leaking.
Yeah.
Look at. You see where it's coming
Yeah.
from?
From the tip.
Never mind my
Should've given me a
fancy
full
spark-
plug, dude.
You don't get a plug. You get a half a plug.
We had a chopped pulley. It was leaking out the top.
It's fine.
Take two. Take two.
Oh damn it, simple green.
Still leaking a little bit.
No, it's settle out.
Oh yeah, she's done. Bingo!
Pump it up and leave it for a minute too.
It's already maxed, but we'll leave it.
If it doesn't leak, if you don't see it moving right away, it's probably fine.
Yeah, it's not
I typically
off.
take it and tap it every once in a while, see if it goes down. See around here, it actually happens all the time to different motors, but
No, this is cherry.
you're good, bro.
Like,
pretty cool.
damn, dude, his Forerunner's fat. I was like, I didn't know he went and rode.
Bro.
Dude, it's like.
I'm ready.
Got it?
Pulleys together, seals in there possibly.
And what do you think
hopefully.
about that pulley? How does
Ooh,
it make
man.
you feel?
Ooh, man, that's a nice pulley right there, man. The little
Damn,
cooling
look at
holes in there.
that.
Holy moly.
Look at that. It's like them race rotors you see on them race cars.
Wow.
And I will look for that.
Cylinders on, heads on, everything sealed. We pressure tested it. Pressure test was a-okay, good. And we got pulley together, seals in the pulley. First time messing with one of these, it was pretty crazy. But got the rubber O-ring seals in there. We're going through it pretty quickly, but we're trying to get this motor assembled because we pretty much have 3 days to get this thing swapped into the GP1 on the dyno, running tuned.
The tool.
What is that
Nobody knows
thing?
about this. Check it out. Because then it keeps, once you pull that ring off,
Oh, it keeps them
keeps it from
closing on
locking
you.
back in, yeah. So it's definitely worth it.
So,
I want to find
alright, got most of the ignition part set up. It's kind of crazy how it goes together. This is honestly insane how this whole thing goes together. Ignition set up. It's kind of that's how we advance the timing and everything. So now I got the flywheel key in there.
Oh wow, okay. So we're gonna find top dead center here, which is right there. See, the tool's not.
So
not
now we
accurate.
need to loosen this up, spin it to match the B on here.
Yep. No, he, whatever he did, I don't know what he did, but he's like. Okay, it's not. You don't have it down far enough though. So now you need to see how it's up.
Yeah.
Because the springs are sitting there.
You
You
might wanna
work
hold
those.
that-
You need to work
hold
those.
that.
Yeah, I would
Is
always
that-
hold this down.
Otherwise, if it pops up, you're screwed.
So now I just take one screw and just work this spring back and forth.
What?
Ooh.
And the audience. Splash zone. Grab another one, dude. 2 at one time. Fuck it. Boom.
Oh.
Oh my god. Boom.
Too big. I should be running 35, but I had that one. This free. Well, it wasn't free. It just came on another motor I bought. I'm like, well, I have it. May as well run it, right?
Motor is built. Cover is on.
I don't
Kicker
wanna fuck with
is
them
assembled.
until I know there's like rubber dial with good. I don't want to take them for it. So getting
Sheesh.
You do this.
cinematic.
Delrado.
It's Del Toro.
Del Toro, Del
That's what I
Taco.
say. Yeah, I got that Del Toro carburetor. Oh.
The Del Taco.
Is it Benicio?
All right, boys. The motor is built. We pressure checked it. We checked Squish. This thing is ready. So it's a new day now. As you can tell, back to daylight. We got the GP1 over there. We need to pull the GP1 on this lift, take the motor out of the GP1, drop that, get this motor swapped in, and hopefully hear this thing run today. But that's gonna do it for this video because you guys gotta tune in for the next video to see that because there's a whole lot to come and we're gonna get this thing running, put it on the dyno, test it, and do a bunch of stuff. So if you guys are stoked on the RC1, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up for this. I can't wait to do some more videos with this and show you guys the potential. A lot of you guys know what it is, maybe some of you don't, but this is a whole Malossi built race engine pretty much. Everything Malossi on it. You can buy this motor complete on Scooter Swap Shop. You can do a build package. You can have them build it. You can even have them put it in your bike if you wanted to. So you guys make sure to check them out. Shout out Scooter Swap Shop for letting me use their shop and hooking it up. That's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.